I want to remind the country and the people in those areas where we're having elections, and in this particular case, even all those candidates, including here in Kasipul, that the Commission still has the mechanisms to take action against any reported electoral malpractice. The Elections Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee is in place, and it will remain active until we complete the elections and until the candidates who win successfully are sworn in. So that committee will remain active, and the mechanism within which you can approach that committee is when you have a complaint, don't complain on social media. Don't complain in other media. Don't lament in your house and expect IEBC to take action when we have not received a formal complaint, which will be filed with IEBC and addressed to either the chair or the CEO, and we will direct those complaints immediately and quickly to the secretariat of the committee that is enforcing the Election Code of Conduct. And that committee will sit and address those issues.